First of all, we need to load the employee into this employee cell. So this we can load it through data validations. Just select the cell, go to data validation, and select the criteria list from the range, and provide the range here. Select the ranges, employee, column, click save. So here you can see the employee is available now. Okay, so now employee is ready. So after that, like, we need to create the index and match to fetch the base salary, and index and match to fetch the bonus and allowance and total salary. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is type the index formula. So in the index formula, first we need to select the ranges of the specified. Select the ranges. So we need to provide the entire table, and the second parameter, it is accepting the position of the row. So here we need to identify the row. So the row is available from the employee cell. So but we will not know what is the row count, what is the row number of the front end. Okay, so to arrive the row number, we need to use one more formula inside the index. Okay, so that is called as match. So in the match, we need to provide the source text. So here the source text is employee. So first parameter is employee, and second parameter we need to provide in which column that we need to look for the employee. Okay, so here I need to select the entire employee column, and the third is an optional, so we can define 0 or whatever it is. Okay, so here the second parameter, we have defined the employee match formula, and the third parameter we need to define the column position. So we define the row position, and we need to define the column position. So here the base salary is available, third column, 1 2 3, third. So we need to provide the value as 3, and if you click enter, so the column is ready. Here it is saying like there is no match available. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. So if you select the curving, you can see that the data is available as 23. Okay, so here you can see the ranges are fixed. So we can freeze the range by pressing F4, and the employee content also fixed, so we can freeze that cell as well. So this can be done by typing F4. Okay, so the base salary formula is ready. So we can copy and paste the same for other content as well. So in other contents, for bonus, you can see the column position is 4. So only we need to change the column position for the remaining contents. Okay, so 4, and for allowances 5, and for total salary is 6. Finally, you can see for covering, we can see like 23,000, 17,000, 3,100, and 43,100. Okay, so this is the value of the employee covering. Okay, so now if we change that value to any other employee, the data will be loaded automatically. Okay, that will be changed automatically. So this we have done everything is only through index and match. Okay, hope this formula helps you. Okay, see you again with another interesting video. Thanks for your time.